Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to make your Power BI dashboard stand out with beautiful modern card visuals, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the new card visual update from June 2023, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build an engaging card with all the eye-catching customizations, including images, gradients, and more. Whether you're new to Power BI or just want to spice up your reports, stick with me and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, you'll want to add a card visual to your Power BI report. If you're not sure how to do this, just head over to the Visualizations pane on the right side, look for the icon that looks a bit like a simple playing card, all clean lines and neat corners. Give that a click and you'll see a new card pop up right on your canvas. Now you'll need to select the data you want to display. This is really important because the value you pick sets the whole purpose of your card. For example, if you need to show total sales, drag the sales field from your data table into the values area of the card. Right away, you'll see that figure appear, giving you a clear, bold display. Next up, let's make this card your own. Head over to the Format Visual section, which you'll find as a little paint roller icon in the visualization pane. Here you have free reign to customize pretty much everything, so don't be afraid to explore. But to start, let's add some flair with an image. Scroll through the formatting options until you see the image section, then click to expand it. Hit the Add Image button and choose Browse here, where you can get really creative. Pick an icon, a fun GIF, or even your company logo. Just make sure it matches the theme of your report. After you've chosen your image, you might notice it looks a bit too big or maybe a little lost in the corner. No worries, adjust the size by tweaking the pixel dimensions until it looks just right. Think of this step like framing a favorite photo. You want it to draw attention but not overwhelm the whole card. Now let's give the card itself some depth and color. Moving down the formatting menu, find the section for background. Click into that and look for the conditional formatting option. This is where the magic of gradients comes in. Gradients add that modern, dynamic feel you see in all the best dashboards, and they're a fantastic way to gently direct the viewer's eye. Once inside conditional formatting, choose the gradient option and play around with the color stops until you've got something that pops. If you're not sure where to start, softer tones often work really well, but go with the palette that best fits your organization or the story you're telling. When you're happy, don't forget to hit apply. Sometimes this step takes a second to update, so don't worry if Power BI needs a moment to catch up. To elevate your card even further, let's add a shape. Shapes help separate your card from the background and can give a stylish edge to the visual. Find the shape option in your format settings and choose one that complements your card, maybe a subtle rounded rectangle or soft oval. Once that's in place, add a shadow. This simple effect makes your card seem to lift right off the page, adding a bit of depth and professionalism to your report. And finally, don't forget the finishing touches. If you want your numbers or labels to really stand out, head into the font style section. You can tweak the font color, size, and even typeface until your data leaps off the screen. Play around until you find a combination that feels both clear and visually appealing. So there you have it, the new card visual in Power BI, ready to grab attention and tell your data's story beautifully. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.